Namaskar, I am Apurva and you are watching One World News History and Forgotten Legends, the series where we relive the brilliance of those gifted souls whose names may have faded with time, but whose legacy continues to color our present. Today, we turn the pages of history and step into an era of delicate brushes, royal courts, and stories captured not in words, but in strokes of breathtaking precision. This is the story of a man whose art became the final heartbeat of the Mughal miniature tradition, Ghulam Ali Khan. Born in the late 18th century into the illustrious Delhi school of painters, Ghulam Ali Khan was not just an artist, he was the chronicler of a dying empire. At a time when the Mughal court was losing power, when the grandeur was slipping away like sand through fingers, it was his brush that preserved the soul of that fading world. He was the royal painter of the last Mughal emperor, Bahadur Shah Zafar. Imagine that, the final emperor of the dynasty and the final master of its miniature tradition, bound together by history and heartbreak. His works capture not just faces, but emotions. Not just palaces, but stories. One look at his portraits, and you can almost feel the silence of the Red Fort corridors, hear the whispered poetry of Zafar's court, and sense the twilight of a glorious era. What made him unforgettable was his rare ability to blend traditional miniature technique with modern realism. His architectural drawings of Delhi, the Jama Masjid, Kashmir Gate, the Qutub Complex, are not merely sketches, they are precious historical documents. Many structures he painted have vanished, but his art makes them immortal. He even collaborated with British officers, especially William Fraser and James Skinner, creating the iconic Fraser Album, a collection that changed the world's perception of Indian art. His paintings offered an intimate glimpse into India's people, soldiers, nobles, villagers, dancers, all captured with dignity and depth. But like many legends, Ghulam Ali Khan faded into obscurity with time. No grand memorial. No spotlight. Just delicate masterpieces scattered across museums, libraries, and private collections worldwide. And yet, each piece holds a whisper of India's past, a whisper strong enough to outlive centuries. In remembering Ghulam Ali Khan, we remember the power of art, its ability to fight decay, to defy time, to stand fiercely even when empires crumble. He may be forgotten in textbooks, but he remains forever alive in every stroke that still glows on his canvas. This was today's episode of History and Forgotten Legends. I am Apurva, bringing you the stories that the world must never forget. Stay with us, only on One World News.